Hello, everybody. My name is Jay, and I want to start this group of videos by thanking you so much for watching again. I hope you get tired of hearing me say thank you, because I really am just that grateful that you are willing to help out in this way. And if you are watching this and you're not helping out, well, you should just come help out. I don't know what else to say. Um, Unless you live like super far away, then that would be bad. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling because this group of videos, I'm really just gonna kind of talk about everything that's not a song, and I'm not really sure what to do with this first video. But we can look at the types of things that you're going to be dealing with in ProPresenter. I really want um, to emphasize how to import things. And then also, every time you import something, do not forget to add a looks action to it, just like we did with the songs. Now, the thing with these kinds of, like with the media that isn't songs, you're going to add the other looks action to it. So we'll go through that. I do want to start with presentation, and we're going to go ahead and import a new presentation. So a lot of times, whoever is speaking will send a PowerPoint. I'm in the past we've used I don't know exactly what we used, but I know in the past the secretaries would import either PowerPoints or keynotes or whatever it was that Aaron was using or whoever was speaking. They would input this beforehand. So if you're going to be on the tech team, this may not be part of your Sunday morning routine. But you do need to know how to do this, because let's say we have a guest speaker come in and they show up on Sunday morning and they have a flash drive and they say, hey, can you play this PowerPoint or this slideshow of the pictures from whatever that I've taken pictures of, whatever. And you're going to say, wait, I know how to do that. So you're going to go up here. I've been hovering over it for a very long time with my mouse, but you're going to go up to File and Import, just like we did for the songs, except we can do either PowerPoint, if it's a PowerPoint, or we can do File. File works for PowerPoints. It'll also work for PDFs. We're going to go to Downloads, because that's the only place I have a PowerPoint saved on this computer right now. And this PowerPoint right here is actually the same one that I already have in here. I just renamed it, but I'm just doing this to show you how to import it. And when it does import it, it's going to give you this option to pick which library you want to put it in. Again, that's these libraries. And it's going to go in presentations, because this is the sermon notes that Greg sent me. So that's why I'm importing these into presentations. And we can look at this. We can actually use this header up here, this editor. And for importing PowerPoints, it kind of just imports them as a picture. So you're kind of just stuck with what you get. So if you need to open up PowerPoint and make edits, or if you're trying to avoid green, make sure that whoever is about to present does not use green in their PowerPoint. It would just kind of look tacky. So this, once we've added it, we can, just like we do with everything else, we can add it into our Sunday playlist, which I've made this as 728. And now it's down here at the bottom. We can move it up to right after the second song if we want to, and maybe even get rid of the old one out of there. And so now we've got this to work with after we get done with this song. Now, the thing is, every time you import a presentation, I have to go back to it now because I forgot to do it. Every time you import a presentation, you have to right-click, go to Add Action, Audience Look, and for this, it's going to be Slides and Media. So this lets people at home see what's going on these slides. And like I said earlier, you won't have to worry about this during service. You won't have to worry about making sure, as the person that's running ProPresenter, you won't have to worry about making sure that people at home can see this. Adding that action to that first slide means that whenever you click on it, that's taken care of. And then whoever is running OBS will make sure that they can see that. So for you running ProP, you can just use this slideshow just like you would anything else in ProPresenter and click on it to put it up on the projector screen.